Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to see how to create the responsive full-page navigation bar using HTML, CSS and Jquery. Look at the final demo, in which we can see the fixed navbar with hamburger button on the left side, under that few blocks of the dummy content. Now when we click the hamburger button, we can see the transformation of the hamburger button to the close button, and sliding of the menu items from the top to bottom. Now if we click the close button, we can see the menu items sliding back to the top and transformation of the hamburger button. When we resize the browser window, we can see the responsiveness of the site and menu. Let's get started with the HTML structure. Create the wrapper development with navbar development inside it. And inside navbar create the logo development with text. Open the HTML structure in the browser. Now let's get started with CSS, by including its link in the head section of the HTML document. For this demo, I am going to use the Open Sans Google Fonts. Let's open the Google Fonts site, and search for the Open Sans, then click on the Add button, and include the fonts in the CSS file. Let's get started with the CSS styles. Now reset the margin and padding values of all default HTML elements to 0. Use the box sizing property, which includes the padding and margin into the width. Now include the Open Sans font family and add the background color to the body. Now let's add the fixed navbar. First, set its position value to fixed, then top value to 0. Set the 100% of the width, 76 pixels of the height and background color to white. Now place the logo in the center of the navbar. To achieve this, I am going to use the CSS flex concept. First, set the 100% of the width, height, then set the display value to flex. Now use the align items value to center, to place the text vertically center, and use the justify content value to center, to place the text horizontally in center. Now change the color, and font size. Now add the container development, below the navbar element. Inside the container element, create the dummy content in it. Now style the container by adding the margin top to 76 pixels, this added due to header fixed in the top. And then add the padding. Now style the rows and columns, set the 300 pixels of the width and use the display inline block property to place the columns in one row. Now using the media queries, make the columns responsive by setting its width to 100%. Let's create the hamburger menu, head back to the HTML structure, and create the development with class hamburger. And consider 3 developments in it with 2 classes to each development, in which one class being same and other being different. Place the hamburger in the top left side, by setting its position to fixed. Using line class, set the width, height, background color, margin bottom, and border radius. Now create the hover by targeting the individual classes of the hamburger. Use the translate value of the transform property to achieve the hover effect. Now let's create the menu. Create the menu div element with a menu item unordered list in it. And inside that consider a 5 list items with 5 anchor elements in it. Add a unique class to each list item, to set the different colors to the list items. Now style the menu, and place the menu above our page, by setting its position value to fixed, and top and left values to 0, 100% of the width and height. And give the background color to white, and set its opacity value to 0.95, so that we can create a transparent effect. And finally, add the transition property for the smooth effect. Remove the bullet points and place the unordered list in the center, and set its margin top value to 60 pixels. Style the list items, by increasing its font size, and use the margin top property to create the space between the items. Use the text decoration to remove the underlines. Now target the unique classes of the list item, and change its color. Using the z-index property, place the hamburger menu on the top of all elements. Now change the top value of the menu from 0 to -250%, so that the menu moves to the top of the page. Include the CDN link of the jQuery in our head section. Whenever we click the hamburger, add the toggle class to the menu element. We can see the toggle class has been added to the menu item. Now by targeting the toggle classes, set back the value of the top property to the 0. Now let's see how to achieve the close button using hamburger menu. First, add the 3 toggle classes to the 3 hamburger items. Then targeting top and bottoms toggle classes transform the hamburger items into a close button. Then set the center item's opacity value to 0. Thank you for your attention. I hope you enjoyed the video, so don't forget to leave a like, subscribe and ask me anything in the comments section. See you in another video.